called tippets. It's like it's actually for ice fishing,
Yeah.
ice fishing rod. I got one.
It's funny. The very next time I went out to Ridley Creek and did some trout fishing, there was an old dude there fishing with the same rod.
Oh, here we go. Come on, stop being a bitch. Oh, there he is. Got your GoPro on?
Yeah. Ooh.
You need a hand,
Might,
Will?
nah, I think I'm good. I can't tell what it is.
And
I don't I don't think it's a shad,
yeah,
but it could just be. Oh,
it's flashing. I saw it.
yeah. I feel like it's bigger than the shad. I gotta
Yeah,
tighten my
cat.
drag.
Oh, it's cat.
Yeah.
Oh, the channel. Another nice one, cat. You need a net? That's a big fish. Not a little guy.
You got a net handy over there?
Yep.
Let me bring him over here.
Yeah, let me set this guy down. 1 second. Keep him on.
He's energetic.
Got it.
Yo, he's
Yeah,
fat as hell too, man.
Yeah.
Got the big ones in here today.
They do.
Oh.
Yeah.
Won't do that again. So me.
Want to try to get him out of the net first, you think?
Yeah.
Watch yourself with those fucking pectorals, dude. They'll
Yeah.
jab the shit out of you. There you go. You're clean. Good job.
Yo.
Perfect.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big boy.
Me another big guy.
Yeah, dude. $17, $18, $18, call it.
17 3/4.
There you go.
And heavy.
Yeah, fatty. 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 Big dog. Oh, I got him. Here we go. I'm on.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look somebody's.
Go ahead, put that you can put that
Oh, he's not on yet.
thumb
There's
down
somebody's.
on the ground.
That's what. Oh, yeah, he might be. You hold that for you?
Nah, I got it.
Big dog. How do you feel? Catch him. Nice.
Yeah. He didn't fight as much as the first one.
Yeah.
But similar size, if not bigger. Yeah, the other one, I immediately knew I had something crazy on the line.
Yeah.